A lot of red light runners. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't. You did it. It's red. Over double light. What are you doing? And that lane ends soon anyways. There was a cop sitting right there too. Whoa! That's safe. I'm keeping that one. We're supposed to let him go. What are you doing? You're not supposed to interrupt the funeral procession. That's kind of rude. And now you're blocking the intersection. What? Keep going and scream. Whoa, whoa, no, don't do that, don't do that. I think he just missed his turn, too. What are you stopping for? Great. I missed the light because of you. Yeah, but I'm lighter. And that was flat out red. Way before he got to the intersection. Whoa. Did he even run through the stop sign? I'm gonna double check that. There's a center turn lane. There you go. That was kind of close, a problem with no signal. Type of drive to make. What is that guy doing? What? At least they're moving. Yeah, let's be down the middle.
You know what? I can't bring up my kids in a church whose authority system is entirely based on the size of fucking hats, okay? That's apparently how the Catholic Church is run.
He just flat out ran that
the bigger
red
the
light.
hat, the more important.
The right card came for him. And he went right through the red stop sign. What are you doing? Guess he didn't want to pay for the valet plot. Whoa! Why would you do that? No, no, what are you doing? Jeez! And you're in the wrong lane to turn left anyways. Yeah, I kinda did something wrong.
You done messed up, AA
it. Yes. Oh. That's like a really bad spot to park. You're drifting into the left lane. What are you doing? Barely avoids that barrier there. She's still leaning over into the passenger seat. That's just fucking crazy. And you're about to get on the highway while doing that. You're dumb for not having headlights on. You've got to be kidding me. Just going right through the stop sign too. Stay on your side. Jesus Christ. Yeah, take longer to cross the street. No parking. Oh, Jesus Christ. You can't understand how the dual turn works? Jersey? Yeah, fucking douchebag. Get on your side, what are you doing? Of course, here comes a bunch of people. Move up. The car ahead of you is good. Move up. What the fuck are you doing? Just drive. And that Dodge just did something stupid in front of a truck. You're in the center turn lane, dude. Wow, that turned red a while ago. That's straight only lane that you're turning right from. You know that, right? Yeah, they changed. Oh, yeah, that douche. Yeah, I think they just changed this. I don't remember that being a left turn. This guy too. Yeah, can we like get in this lane before it starts? You know, and make it a little easier. Just saying. Right away. Jaywalker. Oh man. He's gonna have to back up. Can we go a little faster? You're only going 35. 35. And there's trucks barreling on behind me. Come on.
You have the information. We're just waiting for any voice of authority to tell us what to do. Are we going to be safe? What do we do? And
get out of my lane. Okay. Wow. You just run right to the stop sign. Super something, not first.